Hi folks, and welcome back to the channel. It's a sad day. Ford has decided to call a day on the Fiesta. I understand why, and I'm a bit upset really, because I've owned a numbers of Fiestas in my time. A brilliant little motor from the Mark 1 up to the latest model. But nevertheless, it's like progress. Now I'm a true Escort believer, and the day the Escort finished, I had tears in my eyes, and I'm almost the same with the Fiesta. I mean, if it hadn't been for people buying the Fiesta, Ford would have discontinued the Fiesta years ago. And I did think for 1 minute, back when they brought out the Puma was going to replace the Fiesta. Been so many different variations of the Fiesta throughout the years. It's been such a damn good car. It's going to be well missed. But there's millions of Fiestas out there. So if you're into your Fiestas, like I am, and you want a cheap gift, get one of these. Now this I got off eBay for £1. The birth of the boy racer. Yeah, I thought that was the Escort, but that was the Fiesta. And if you like this type of content, please subscribe and please share. Now we're going to see this little bit of footage from Ford. It's a farewell. Laters!
Hi Dad. He's waiting for you.
Will you read it, Grandad?
Again?
Please.
Right then. Once upon a time, there was a car. It wasn't a big car, not a fancy car, but a car for the people. They built it and they drove it. It became part of the family. A teacher, a wingman, an old faithful friend. Sometimes it went fast, sometimes went slow, but it always went, until one day it didn't anymore. Not because it couldn't, not because it wouldn't, but because its job was done. So now we say thank you, little car, for all that you've done. Here's to the journey and what's still to come.
Is the story finished?
Well, this one is, but the next one's just beginning.